Ancient beauty practices included the use of natural ingredients that are found in skincare and beauty products even today. Let's take a look at some of the ancient beauty treatments that you can try for yourself. Oily skin responds to yogurt, clay, and mashed strawberry. Yogurt cleanses and nourishes the skin, strawberry counteracts oiliness, while clay absorbs oil. Dry and sensitive skins love honey, crushed grapes, egg yolk, mayonnaise, and sunflower oil. All of these attract moisture and soothe the skin. On combination skins, slather an oily skin mask on your T-zone and a dry skin mask elsewhere. Mix and match ingredients to find out what is best for you. The use of cocoa powder goes all the way back to the ancient Mayans. To achieve soft body skin, mix 10 tablespoons of cocoa powder with 3 tablespoons of honey to make a paste. Spread it on your entire body and let it dry for 10 minutes. Rinse off and shower. A winter salad face mask perks up skin. Take fresh vegetables in any combination, example carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and lettuce. Whiz in a food blender and add a few drops of coconut oil if your skin is very dry. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse. For brighter, younger looking skin, rub a slice of freshly cut pineapple on your face. This is not recommended for sensitive skins or acne sufferers. Watermelon mask is great for dull skin. Apply freshly extracted watermelon pulp on your skin for 10 minutes for a glowing, fresh look. For smooth, supple, and hydrated skin, apply apricot juice to your skin. Extract apricot juice by removing the seeds and blending the apricots to form a puree-like consistency. Leave it on for 20 minutes before washing off with warm water.